Introduction. The world of programming languages. Programming languages are the backbone of modern technology. They enable us to communicate with computers and build software applications. In this video, we'll explore the most widely used programming languages and their applications. Java. The versatile giant Java has been a dominant player for decades. Known for its versatility, it powers everything from Android apps to large-scale enterprise systems. Its robustness and extensive libraries make it a go-to choice for many developers. Python. The Swiss Army knife. Python's simplicity and readability have made it immensely popular. It's the language of choice for tasks like data analysis, machine learning, and web development. Its vast collection of libraries, such as NumPy and TensorFlow, further enhance its capabilities. JavaScript, the language of the web. If you've ever interacted with a website, chances are you've encountered JavaScript. As the de facto language for web development, it enables dynamic and interactive web pages. With frameworks like React and Angular, it's a powerhouse for building modern web applications. C#. The Microsoft ecosystem. C# is the language of choice for Windows application development. With the .NET framework, it offers a comprehensive ecosystem for building desktop and web applications. It's also gaining traction in the game development industry. Conclusion. The ever-evolving landscape. The programming language landscape is constantly evolving. New languages like Rust and Go are gaining popularity, while established ones continue to dominate. As a developer, staying adaptable and continuously learning is key to thriving in this dynamic field.